You may want to work with other team members or colleagues in Locoia. For this, you can create easily additional accounts. First, log into your workspace with your already existing account. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by clicking on Reset Password. Once you are signed in, on the left side in the menu bar, click on Settings and then Users. You can then easily add a new user by clicking on the button Add. Fill in all the necessary information needed for create a new account, and you might choose between user and account admin as a user type. Confirm your selection, and afterwards, the new user will receive an email with a temporary password, which you can use to log in once. This password has to be changed directly at the first login. For security reasons, this link expires after 24 hours. If the new user does not log in within this time, you need to delete the account and add it again to send another email. If you have any further questions, please contact our support team at any time. We are always happy to help.